It took me a while to get this right as far as repairing a flat on an electric bike using the slime prevent and repair. But I have 10 notes. Number 10, don't let the green stuff in the mess fool you. It tends to get all over the place, especially if you overfill it or something's awry. It's going to get all over the place, but that's okay. It's a necessary evil. Number 2, turn the bike upside down. Don't be afraid to turn the bike upside down. If you're trying to work on it right side up, gravity is going to pull in on the messed up spot of the tire. It's going to always pull down. You want to alleviate that pressure by turning it upside down. That way you can work on the bad part of the tire. Also, the one-way valve. You take it out using a special tool that actually comes with this. Make sure you don't throw away that tool. You're going to take that one-way valve out. Make sure that you don't lose it. And you put the slime in without it. Next, you want to fill it with air immediately. I didn't know that at first. You don't want to wait. You don't have to wait for the slime to harden or anything. You're actually going to fill it with air. But you want to reinsert your one-way valve if your electric bike has one of those, because that's going to keep the slime from splitting back out. If you don't have that one-way valve, you're going to have a problem, not only with air, but with the green stuff coming back out. Another thing is, while you're spinning it and rotating it to make sure that the slime is evenly distributed, you want to make sure that you press in the feel. Is it all solid? It should be. If it's hollow in any area, that's going to be a problem. And the problem is going to be as soon as you hit a bump, that part that's hollow is going to mess up and you'll be back to the drawing board. Speaking of hitting a bump, you want to test this at home. You want to make sure that your tire is not only filled, but bounce it a little bit. And make sure that every little touch is not going to make it go flat again. And speaking of go flat again, let it sit overnight. Don't try to take it out if you don't have to so soon. If this stuff has a hardening process, let it sit overnight. And finally, we're going to, I think that's it. I can't read my own handwriting, so yeah, that's it.